Vilkyškiai. Vilkyškiai town is 15 kilometers east from Pagėgiai and nearby the way between Kaunas and Klaipėda. In historical sources, the town was mentioned in the 16th century. The first inhabitants lived in the place where roads crossed each other. These roads led to Ragainė, Batakiai and Klaipėda. The central part of town remained the old urban structure, network of streets, squares, layout and typical building architecture of Klaipėda region. In the years 1709-1711, Vilkyškiai land was run in trouble, plague and fever. Because of these illnesses died entire villages. The government of Prussia started to bring here the people from German lands, most from Salzburg, to remember them on the 4th of June in 1988. In the middle of the village it was built a monument. Author of the monument for refugees from Salzburg is Šarūnas Arbačiauskas. There is another monument too. The monument in memory of victims of the First World War was built about 1920.